Hi and welcome to Lesson 1.1 of WooCommerce Local Pickup Plus, Introduction to Local Pickup Plus. In this video, I will show you how to use the WooCommerce Local Pickup Plus plugin. This plugin allows your customers to pick up orders from your store or other locations. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now, click on the Shipping tab and select Local Pickup Plus. Here, you will find all the settings to configure the plugin. First, let's understand what this plugin does. It adds local pickup as a shipping option in your WooCommerce store. Customers can choose multiple pickup locations. They can also schedule pickup appointments for their orders. The plugin even sorts locations by distance using geocoding. You can set pickup options per item or per order. This is perfect for stores with physical locations or pop-up shops. Now, let's see how to set it up. To enable the plugin, check the box next to Enable. Give it a title like Local Pickup. Scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now, Local Pickup will appear as a shipping option during checkout. Google Maps encoding API key is an optional key to enable Google Maps address-to-coordinate conversion. Checkout display. Choosing locations allows customers to select a pickup location for each product. Location sort order defines the order in which pickup locations are displayed. Pickup appointments mode enables or disables scheduled pickup appointments. Appointment duration sets the length of time for each pickup appointment. Default business hours sets the standard opening and closing time for pickup locations. Common public holidays allows you to exclude specific dates from pickup availability. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital